All right, how this gets lit is because there's no igniter on it, you would have to light it manually. So you would need to have some kind of fire starter. If you're not comfortable with that, you should have a plumber do it. But if you're comfortable with it, you can turn the water heater completely off, everything on the top off, and the setting would go all the way to the off setting. You would make sure that you didn't smell any gas. Leave it for about 30 seconds, maybe even a minute, minute and a half. Once you're ready, you're confident there's no gas that you can smell, you can go ahead and set this to pilot on top. You would turn that to where it says pilot. Then you would take this setting here and you would set it to the lowest setting on the dial, which would be warm. Once you do that, you would push this red button down and you would use your igniter to try and light the pilot flame. Keep in mind that you have to hold this down. Once the pilot light is lit, which you will see by looking in here, you're actually going to see the blue light underneath there. It's lit now. When you see that blue light after you've done your igniter, you're going to hold on to this button still for probably about 60 seconds. The reason you do that is so that the pilot light doesn't go out. Once that you're confident you've held on to it for about 60 seconds, you can go ahead and release it. Turn this from pilot to on, from the pilot position to on.
Which it's on now.
And then go ahead and turn up your setting from warm to hot or wherever it is you want to set it. At that time, you should actually hear the burner go on. And when you hear the burner go on, you know that it's heating the water in the tank. Once the temperature in the tank reaches the temperature that you set in your desired setting, it's going to go back to the pilot setting itself. It'll stay lit. All right, and what's happening here is they obviously came in and lit it. And the reason I don't think we have a problem at this point is because if there were a problem with the thermocouple, the pilot light would not stay lit. But it has. It stayed lit. I've got the hot water running now. It is very hot. And you can see that you've got the light on and it's doing its job.
Alrighty. Thank you very much.
Thank you.